Merong yung performance ay hindi merong ang lahat ng pakiusap na ginagawa ko sa mga subject teacher, kaya nga lang, sabi nila, paano naman po namin pagbibigyan? Ito na ayaw nila. So yun ay hindi ko nahawa. Anyway, happy birthday to me.
Ay, may wala.
Anyway, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga magandang bagay na nagawa. Sabi kanina niya, no? Alam mo, ito lang, ako, on Saturday, I was amazed. I was informed that there will be people coming to my house. And I was really amazed.